of women, particularly in the advancement of technology and how their behavior changes. What's your comment on TV as a medium of perhaps at the job and soaps and those kind of things, changing the structure of women's role?
Television certainly has its benefits, but Dajjal is very skillful. He gives you something in which there is manifest benefit, so that you have to accept it. But then he put in a little piece of 5% of poison. So if you take the 95% of the apple and you eat it, you'll also get the 5% of the poison in you. Taliban in Afghanistan banned television, and it didn't work, because as soon as Taliban was pushed aside, the Afghan people hungrily returned to television. So it appears to me, and of course only Allah does not make mistakes, that the better way to deal with the problem would be to effect some control over television, so that we can benefit from it when it is beneficial, and be protected from it when it is harmful. How to do that? I think the worst way would be to establish a censorship, and the best way would be self-censorship. So if we are blessed, inshallah, to establish the Muslim village, we would ban television from the home. No televisions in the home. But in the same way, like you have what is known as the internet cafe. So the village would have a common room where there are television sets, and those who would like to come and watch television can come in the common room. But whatever you are seeing, others will be seeing. And when you see something on the television set about which you even have doubt in your hearts that this is haram, you will yourself go and change the channel, rather than have someone come to you and tell you this is haram. So in this way we will not be accused in the village of imposing a censorship, but rather the people themselves will be self-censoring themselves. About the role of